Hey, it's Rich, your NY loan guy. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Or happy Good Friday. And today is Jobs Day. The BLS job report came out. Really strong number with 916,000 new jobs being created for March. The expectation was like 650, so really strong number there. We've had a busy week this week. Earlier in the week, we got ADP, which saw an increase of 517,000 new jobs. We got the Case-Shiller Index, which is the gold standard of appreciation. That was a real strong number. And Biden revealed his $2 trillion infrastructure proposal, which was received well by the markets because it's not going to be all at once. It's going to be over the course of 8 years. So about $250 billion a year. Some of the highlights of that are about $621 billion is for transportation infrastructure, which is things like bridges, roads, airports. $400 billion is going to be for the care of the elderly and disabled. $300 billion is going to be towards improving drinking water, and $300 billion towards affordable housing. So he did discuss that the corporate tax rate is going to go up from 21% to 28% to help pay for this. He did not mention anything about individual taxes, but you can bet you'll probably see those increase. He's going to discuss the second part of his plan over the next couple of weeks, so we'll have to look for that. Unemployment number came down from 6.2 to 6% with this great jobs number, but we're going to get some news on inflation next week with the PPI, so we'll circle back and look at where we stand with that, because once inflation starts to creep up, that's going to affect rates. If you're going to have the commitment to the amount of money that it's going to take to build that home, you have to have the commitment of time and energy by everybody involved. So if you want to know how to build your dream home, I'll tell you. Grab your phone, text or call me. It's simple. I'll tell you. Text or call me. Grab your phone. It's the fastest way of getting a hold of me.